One of the things that come to my mind right now, let's talk offline retail. Two things that come to my mind is that an offline retail today is some way an inventory point, and it's also a customer engagement point, right? How does that retail store hyper locally connect with the customers around? Because it has an inherent advantage of having inventory locally, and hence can service demand within 2 to 3 hours, which even the best e-commerce companies can't do. The second thing is that offline has the advantage of having real personalized human touch with the people in the stores, which offline can't do, which online can't do. So these are the two inherent advantages of having a store, other than the experience piece, right? Now, how can one go live with the customers around, and where one engages with the audience? Like, you need a product, somebody calls, and how does immediately catalog get curated and sent, and then 4 products go to the customer. The customer keeps one, makes a digital payment for the one, and 3 comes back, right? And how do you do this? I really feel that this is it can be a big problem to solve, and it's a great opportunity, in my opinion, right? Imagine today if we did not have to step out, but we know the brands we love, and if they were enabled for us sitting at home or wherever we are, on way to, even post-COVID, on way to our office, we just have the time, but we need a backpack because the kid in the house needs to go to the school next day, but the backpack is torn, and this is 8 p.m. at night and the school is next morning. And how does one solve for that demand situation, right? So how do retail stores hyper locally get connected with their set of community around? And this is a big topic, because I think it's also a marketing topic, it's a sales topic, it's a retail topic. The other thing is that I firmly believe that the way traditionally we have operated stores, COVID has taught us that they need to change.
Yep.
One has stores in various markets, geolocated in various places. The traditional way would be to have head of retail, regional head of retail, then an area retail head, a cluster, and a store manager, and layering it, and with diverse set of work responsibilities and metrics to drive. Now, can that be thought outside in now, right? Can the store manager be the key person, and everything is supported to that person, whether it is visual merchandising or training, or people-related matters, product knowledge, store operating structures? Can that be managed through a central panel with the help of technology, but without really compromising on the human touch? Now, all the things that the chain would do, what were the things which really require human interaction? Because I believe a lot of times area managers are just tracking the next shipment going to the store, as an example, or clarifying the marketing initiative or the promotion or the terms and condition of the promotion. It is just being passed from one to the other and to the store, right? Now, can all of this become like a centralized operations, promotion management, to Q&As around that for the staff? So how do you enable the staff to serve the customer in the store? But you do that in a new way, which we have today learned that a lot can be done like we are doing today.